Hey Holly, what did you have for dinner? Did you have corn and sweet potatoes? And I see you had some puffs. Did you have some puffs too? Was it good? Do you love corn? Are you ready for a bath? Mom's running you a bubble bath right now. Ooh, a bubble bath. Are you feeling a little sticky? Are you a big girl? Yeah? Are you looking at Dad? Do you love Dad? Hey, Little Mermaid. Can Mom have that one too? What is Dad doing? Are you ready for a bath? Alright, Wyatt. Say, I love you, everyone. Sticky baby. Sticky baby.